Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super high-tech Android launcher like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Download the Snappy Launcher 2022 from the Play Store. After opening this launcher, you can find a different type of widgets, the tech widget. You can find the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and also the airplane mode on the first here with a circle of apps. Then you can find a battery percentage on top, and then you can find the calendar widget, which is actually super cool. You can just switch between the music and weather. You can find some animations while just switching here. You can see the circling and also some animations over the widgets. So here the weather widget where you can find all the weather settings. You can have the setting option on the everywhere, so you can just customize it. Go to the setting option. You can select the theme color, wallpaper, and also the icon pack. For an example, just need to switch the color to a blue or purple. Click on this. That's it. It's so simple. You just need to access the app drawer. Just swipe side. You can find all the apps here. This is super cool launcher. You can just try it on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.